Hi everyone, Jonah here, and today I'm gonna do like a really quick video. ASAP Live in California is happening right now, and there is like a video or like some videos that came out of the performance of BGYO of their new song Trash. So I'm just gonna listen to that one or watch that one. I don't even know, like I just got this video and I don't know if it's the full song. Probably not, because the song comes out on the 23rd. I think 23rd, but yeah, I'm gonna watch it because everyone's watching it and I'd be left out. But here goes. 3, 2, 1, go. There's a JL in the middle. Jello singing. Come on, JL, stop. Oh my gosh, that's Nate. It's all English, isn't it? Oh no, that was it. What? Oh no. So I'm looking for other, what do you call this, screen recordings. So this one looks like it's a little bit closer. Hindi ko alam bakit ako nag-English, pero sige, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ang cute daw yung nila daw. Oh, it's hard to hear. I'll put it in the trash. No? Teka lang. Lo, pogi ni Jello. Ang cute na step na gano'n. Ang pogi ni JL! Tama na, kuya! In fairness, bagay kay akin lang ito. I like it so much. Ah! Put it in the trash. Oh my gosh. So ayun, nag-upload ng fancam si Museo ng Trash. So idadagdag ko to dun sa na-record ko na kanina kasi parang mas buo to, 2 minutes 25 seconds siya. And apparently it's like a full view of the voice. So might as well add ko na lang siya dun sa na-record ko na kanina. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Why? Oh! Uy, sabi niya kinauna! Ang bakit? I'm ready for you. Woo, JL! I really like that step. Ang bot! Ang pogi niya! Kinainis ako! Hindi ko masyadong nalig yung lyrics to. Trash! Go, Nate! Pero wala pong singing part si Jello mo. Ay, kuya! Ang cute talaga ni Jay eh! Ah, yun pala. May part pala si Jello. Oh! Ang cute talaga na! Wow! Jello! Let's go! I like that. Put it in the trash. Ay, tapos na! Bite, hindi yan totoo. Putol yan. Putol yan. Hindi pwedeng yun lang yun. Andaya naman. Wala na naman part si Akira. Ako sa inyo. Teka lang. Ulit. No, ng pogi, nakakainis! Ang bagay ni Michi! Malabo pa yan, ha? Ano ba? Tama na, Akira. Malis-alis ka na dyan. Ng pogi. Ilabas si Ray Trash! Si OA. Ang pogi ng buhok ni Jello, oh. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ayoko na. Rinig na rinig yung live nila, no? Trash. Ano, enjoy nila yung dance steps. Tsaka bagay talaga kay Nate yung English na rap. I'm ready for you. 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 Parang hindi pa ako ready ka. Sorry na! Ah! Bumatay! Hindi ko kaya! Yan talaga pag may new song eh. Gogi! Marinig ko ito ng live. Mukhang hindi ko kaya. Sana hindi kayo ito yung damit, Akira! Eh, ang pogi ng damit! Hindi ko kaya! Wow, good job, Jello! Pogi ni Mickey! Tama na! Trash! Nakakaisabitin talaga! I really like the song. It's very international vibes. I mean, they are performing it in California. And so, it makes sense na medyo ganun yung sound niya. Very easy to listen to. Well, English siya. So, I guess it would work for a lot more people dahil maintindihan kagad nila. Medyo sabog yung audio. I know because it's, ano lang siya, SR lang siya. Recording lang ng live ng mga tao. So, I can't wait for like the 23rd. Nasaan ako ng 23rd? No, I will be here. So, I will be here. Ano, so makakapag-react ako before ako pumunta ng Calgary. But, oh my gosh, sana i-perform nila to sa Calgary. Then, we would be able to see it live. Like, live. Oh my gosh. But I'm super excited for this one. It really sounds good. I like the choreo. It looks like it's easy enough for people to learn. So, pag nag-dance challenge at TikTok, I feel like a lot more people would be able to do it as compared dun sa mga dati nila na choreo na ang hirap talaga. Like, extraordinary para ko sayahin. Pero this one looks like it's easy enough, but it still looks good, like, with the 5 of them doing it together. So, yun. I said this is gonna be a quick video, pero ang dami ko pa rin sinabi. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!